Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where all your boards and workspaces are stored. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple workspaces, as this ensures you're working with the right set of boards. After logging in, take a look at the left sidebar of your screen. This is where all your boards are listed and organized. From here, click on your preferred board that you want to add tags to. It could be a project board, a marketing board, or any other board where you need to categorize and label items. Clicking on it will open up the full board view so you can start making changes. Now, once the board is fully loaded, direct your attention to the right side of the board. You'll see a plus sign there, which is used to add new columns to your board. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. This action opens up the column center, which is essentially a library of different column types you can add to customize your workflow and organize information more effectively. When the column center opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This makes it easy to find specific column types without scrolling through all the options. In this search bar, type tags, and you'll see the tags column appear in the results. Click on it to add this column type to your board. The tags column is particularly useful for categorizing items, filtering tasks, and creating visual organization within your projects. After adding the tags column, you'll see it appear on your board alongside your other columns. Now it's time to actually create and assign tags to your items. Click on an empty cell in the new tags column for any item where you want to create a tag. This opens up an input field where you can start typing. In this field, type the tag name you want to create. For example, you might type high priority, urgent, in review, or any label that makes sense for categorizing that particular item. Once you've typed your tag name, simply press enter to create it. The tag is now created and assigned to that item, and you'll see it displayed in the tags column with a specific color that Monday.com automatically assigns to help with visual recognition. And that's it. You've successfully added and started using tags in Monday.com to better organize and categorize your board items. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.